Whoa, look how messy is that. I'm going to clean that later. I didn't finish that. I didn't finish this. I have some more of this. I'll just drink coffee while, you know, a coffee after a meal is good. Yo, good morning guys. It is 5 minutes to 8 o'clock. Promise. Oh no, 4 minutes. Hey, I'm preparing this. I add some water to to have to make it wet. I'm going to put in the rice. Delicious. This leftover from yesterday. I'm now reheating the rice. Yeah, and I'm working inside in my room because here is really cold. Temperature is something like 15 or 12 degrees. I am having this. I'm having this eyeglass because I am in the computer, and last night I am not feeling good. Yeah, with I feel aching. My eyes is aching. That is why I wear this eyeglass. This just protection from the computer. It's very comfortable in this bed, and you know this blanket. This is also very comfortable. I know this is cheap, very cheap in Giants in Dubai. Yeah, this one is really good, warm, similar to this one, really warm. Yeah, almost similar to this, all of them. And you know, I am staying in this room because I somehow managed to switch on the heater. Yeah, this is the heater, but at the moment it's switched off. So last night I switched it on, and then I switched it off when I am about to sleep, and I was very comfortable. Yeah, nice. Yeah, I remember before that I always have a room like this, smaller than this, and I was working like this near to the bed. Yeah, outside is cold. Here is really good. And just now I noticed that outside is really good also. Can see the sky is blue. And this morning it was really foggy. You don't see the other side. And yesterday was raining and made me feel sleepy the whole day. So I am doing my laundry, and we are now going to make our lunch. Look at that, 5 minutes to 12. And my lunch today, ham, 2 pieces, cheese, and some tomato. If you're watching Mr. Carlos, this is because of you. Already 6:30 and outside is really dark already. And I'm preparing this, frying my yeah, this is the corned beef fritters. Yeah, I will be just eat this and we'll be watching news. Before it rise, you don't see it, but the time is already 5:45. Outside is still dark, as you can see in here. Dark is still outside, but I can see the sky. It's cloudy. Yeah. So now I am editing a video. I'm happy because you know The video that I uploaded last night is I got 1,300 views already and a lot of comments, and at the moment I am replying. Yeah, they like my cooking recipe, but you know, my cooking is not really the proper way, because I cooking that without any idea is what's going to be the outcome. As you can see, the time already 7 o'clock. Like this time I'm using just one food. Oh, you see this? This is a soup. Instant soup. The miso one. Delicious. And I have this ready. I'll be eating here when watching my sad video. Good afternoon, guys. It's already 4:20, and I didn't do anything. Actually, I was just in my computer learning, and yeah, I didn't film my cooking today because it's just frying. And I am now going to the grocery. Let's go. It is really cold. It is now 4:35. For sure, when I get out of this grocery, will be dark already. Not so much sweet food. We are going to take some of those sausage, 10 pieces, and it's $2.46. We are also going to take some of this minced beef and pork. Yeah, we take one of these first. Pork is $5.50, 500 grams. Also one of these. This is 500 grams, and this is $8.50. We are also going to take one of this chicken. This $10.46. You know, there are times that I'm always cravings for something to drink, like soft drinks. Because I always drink hot coffee. Sometimes I want something. Yeah, this is the one that I usually buy. Okay, we are going to take one of this again. It is going to last for me for about a week. For about 1 week. I don't drink too much soft drinks. It's just that there are times that I want it. Or maybe orange juice? No. Or apple juice? Oh, but look at this. This is just $1.60. But no, we already have this one. You know, I saw one YouTube video. This lady, she made a donut with just yogurt and flour. It was good. We're going to try that. I don't know, but there is no flour in here. I don't know where is it. You know, the tissue, the napkin, they are back to normal. They have now here different brand, and I'm going to take one. Oh, but they are big. I won't be able to fit it in my backpack or in my bike. Yeah, no, it's okay. I'm going. Actually, it's really big. Oh, they actually have flour. Only this one. This is $4.50. Okay, this is not a toilet paper, but we're going to take one. Yeah, this is table paper towels. It's all right. We are again going to take one of this. This $3.85. This is what we use in the kitchen in the restaurant. This is what I always buy before, but now I learned this. We're going to take this, and we are again going to take one yogurt, the small one, you know, just in case of emergency. Sometimes I want it real fruit, not this one. Just this two. I almost forgot that I also need egg. Yeah, this is the same price, $3.50. And I think that's it, because it feels heavy already. Okay, this is the only one that I am carrying with my hand, not fit in my backpack. I usually open the door like that,